Changing your payout frequency on Afterpay can help you manage your finances better. Follow these steps to update your payout settings. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Afterpay website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. This scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Payout Preferences. In Account Settings, look for the option labeled Payout Preferences or Payment Settings. Click on this option to access your current payout frequency settings. Step 4. Choose your desired frequency. You will see various payout frequency options available. Select the frequency that best suits your financial needs, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferred payout frequency, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button or similar option to confirm your new settings. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout frequency on Afterpay. Always check back to ensure your settings are updated as needed.